So that's it for the actual scripted testing. Having tried that twice, I would love your feedback on what the interaction is.
If I could say yes, if I could interject my yes in between the two options, that'd be cool.
Mm-hmm.
Because that's what happened.
Mm-hmm.
And I thought he'd hear me and be like, okay, bet. So he said, do you want to do this? And I was like, yes. And he's like, hold on, I'm not finished yet. I was like, oh, my bad.
Mm-hmm.
Continue. Also, I learned from interview, I learned in my film class that when you ask a question, if it's two-part, well, you shouldn't ask two-part questions in interviews because people are only going to hear the second half of the question and they'll forget about the first half.
This is good.
So,
okay.
That's
good feedback. And then if using that, right now you've got the ability to pick up laundry and the ability to let them know you're on your way. As you're playing with it, is there anything that you're like, dang, I wish it could do this? Or it would be interesting if the AI voice assistant for dry cleaning could do this.
I guess if I'm on my way, if I say I'm on my way, it should take, like, I guess around 30 minutes, like, unless you're like in Newark or something. So, I guess the other option. I mean, and he also tells you what route, what days, like what route you're on based on your location. So, I don't know. Maybe if you can, no, they don't have delivery though, do they? They don't deliver it back to you. They can. Then maybe I guess tracking, so you could like, hey, how far away is the delivery? That's the only thing I can think of that I would probably want.